This is test ID 76, component ID 80. Natural vacuum leak detection system found a large leak. It was detected during the engine running test. This test is only done after it's done the engine off small test and failed. The test limit is a minimum value. It's in milliseconds. It's a very quick test. The natural vacuum leak detection system expects the natural vacuum leak detection switch to close when the natural vacuum solenoid is off and the canister purge is cycled on, and it watches it very quickly to see if there's a quick spike in it. If there is not, then it will, if it can't hold vacuum for a very short time, then it will cancel out. Now, the reason this test fails is as a large vacuum leak is present. Don't forget to check to see if the fuel cap is leaking. There are about 25% of our leaks are in that location. The natural vacuum leak check valve could be leaking, either the pressure or the vacuum. Be sure to go and look at the natural vacuum training. It will help you identify these things. Now, here's the difference. The 75 and 76 are just the same type of test. They're both done in milliseconds, very quickly, to try to differentiate between large and medium. But we're above that. You're always going to see 74 fail if 75 or 76 or 73 fail, because none of the other testing is done unless the engine off time fails the small leak test. If it smells a log leak test, then it's going to try to account up and see what's going on. The purge monitor fail tells us it's a very gross leak, which is, if you look at the large and medium leak, they're both right at the limits of setting a code. So you're going to see combinations of failures when these fail, and go and do the testing there. Start off with your testing by checking for a large leak, and be sure to watch for the natural vacuum leak detection training so you can understand all of this terminology.